Welcome to Open Source Options. I'm showing you in QGIS a satellite image that I downloaded for free. This image was taken just a few days ago, and now I have the ability to download it, interact with it, and analyze it. I want to show you, no matter what GIS software you're using, how you can download and get these satellite images directly from the source so that you too can use these free data to provide insight and value to the world. So let's get started. Now, the first thing we need to do is just open up an internet browser. Here I'm in Google Chrome, and I'm just going to go search now for the National Map Viewer. This is a data warehouse provided by the U.S. Geological Survey where you can download all of the Landsat data for free. Sorry, not the National Map Viewer. We're going to go to the USGS Earth Explorer. USGS Earth Explorer, and we're going to click on this here. Now, you want to make sure that you are signed in. You can see I'm signed in here. And once you're signed in, oh, it has some, we're going to try to refresh this and see if it gives us a new search criteria. But that's okay, we can do it here. So once you're signed in, you're going to end up on this search criteria tab over here. And now we need to specify the area you want to look for data for. So I'm going to come over to this area here. This is in Idaho, the Boise area. And I'm going to come over and click on Polygon, and I'm going to click Use Map. And that will put a square polygon right over that area of the map where I'm zoomed into. And now this will be the area in which I am searching for images. You can choose as large or small of an area as you want. You can upload from a KML or a shapefile. You can choose a predefined area here. You can choose a circle. You can do all kinds of different things. The next thing to do is to choose a date range. Here I'm just going to choose from June 1st until yesterday, which was July 17th. And once I've done this, I can go to data sets. And this will allow me to select the data sets that I want to choose from. You can see there are a lot of different options for data sets. We have aerial imagery, AVHRR. I'm not going to go through all of these. There are some commercial satellites we can get information from. I'm going to go straight to Landsat here and choose Landsat. We have a lot of different Landsats here. We have the Landsat analysis ready data, level collection 2, level 3 science products. I'm going to go to collection 2, level 2, which is going to give us our surface reflectance products. And I'm going to select from Landsat 8 and 9, which is going to be the newest sensor that we have available. You can select multiple sensors if you like. And it just gives you a message of when this completed. I'm not going to select Landsat 7, I just want 8 and 9. And now once that's done, I can go to the additional criteria page, and we have other options here. I'm not going to worry so much about this. Let me go back to the search criteria. One thing I forgot to tell you is we have a cloud cover option down here. I've got mine set from 0 to 15%. You can just drag this slider to choose whatever is going to work best for you. We'll bring that down to 10% now, just for that. Okay, so now we've got our data sets here selected as Landsat 8, 9. Additional criteria, I'm not going to worry about any of this. If you know your path and row or your scene identifier or your product identifier or whatever it is, you can choose those things here. Let's just go to the results now. And this will take a minute to search, and then it will bring up any of these images that we have. And now we can take a look at the footprints for these images. I don't know what is up with that. That's strange. Something is strange with the extent here, it looks like. It took us to a new area. That's strange. Let's go back to our search criteria. Let me zoom out here. We are up in Greenland somewhere. Let's zoom back into our area over here in Idaho. See if we can do something here. Let's use the map again. And let's go to data sets again. We have the right one selected. And let's just go right over to results. There we go. Now we've got it for this area. So now we can select the footprints. You can see this image was collected on July 9th, and it shows us the footprint of where that image is. And if we want to get the whole area or part of the area, we can play around to find out where these other footprints are. So I can show this one, it overlaps that area there, this one there. And so we can figure out which data sets we want to download. Okay. Now you need to make sure that you have been logged in or you won't see this download button here. So you need to make sure you're logged in to Earth Explorer. The account creation is free. So we have download options. We can add it to a bulk download. I'm just going to show you the simple way to do this with download options right now. So I'm going to click the download options here. And the easiest way to do this, I think, is to come to these product options. And here we have the ability to download individual metadata files or individual bands. The way I do this, so I just have all the data for an associated image, is I just click this download up here. And this is going to download. Here's my Landsat data folder, and I'm going to click a save here. It's going to download this tar file. And I'll show you how we can deal with that tar file on Windows. So once the download starts, now I can close this and just wait for this download to complete. Okay, so my download has completed. Let's go ahead and open up the folder this is in. So you can see I'm in my downloads, my Landsat L2 folder, and I have this tar file right here, .tar. Now, if you're using Windows, I found the best way to unpack a tar is using 7-zip. So you can go install 7-zip for free. And to access it, right-click on your file, click Show More Options, go to 7-zip, and click Extract Files. That will pull up this prompt here. We can just click OK, and then you're going to see it extract. Now, I can go right to this folder here. When I open this up, it'll take just a second. There's a lot of data in here. We can see we have all those individual files. We have these metadata files. We have some quality assessment files. And then we have bands 1 through 7 here, which is what we're going to be most interested in. All right, so there's our Landsat data. Now, I have other videos on showing you how to take these data into QGIS and arrange them so that you can see different false color images or true color images. Let's just go to QGIS really quick. Let me just start a new project, and I'm going to get rid of these layers here that I was showing you earlier, and we'll just pull these data in quick. So if I go to browser and I refresh this, I'm in my Landsat L2 folder here where I downloaded everything. Here is the most recent images I downloaded and extracted. If I open this up, I can go here and I can pull in these bands. So if I pull in band 2, for example, you can see I have that band grayscale here. Which is this is the blue band. Band 3 is green. Band 4 is red. We can see those in grayscale here. And in a future video, well, I have previous videos with Sentinel that show you how to combine these so you can get true or false color images. So check out those videos. I'll link them below if you want to see how to do that. Thanks for watching. Hope you find all the data you need and you create some wonderful insights for everyone else out there. Don't forget to check out opensourceoptions.com for more tutorials and GIS information, and we'll have some free courses coming soon there. So go check it out for those. Thanks for watching.